When Kansas State University first opened in 1863, it was actually called Kansas State Agricultural College. While many students are upholding that legacy of agricultural education in the classroom, there is a group of students doing the same, just not at a desk. The Willow Lake Farm is a 2-acre student-run farm that has been providing both hands-on education and produce to the Manhattan community since 2008.
Most of our student involvement comes from the horticulture department, which is great. But I think that there's a lot of possibility out here for students of all disciplines of study and interests to engage with the student farm.
Whether students are harvesting produce on the farm or attending local workshops, the student farm is all about education out of these classrooms.
I just have to say that I feel really fortunate to have this space to carry out what I think is really important research out here. This is a place that offers support and is available for others to do important research that can contribute to the body of science that is coming out of Kansas State University.
Anyone can participate at the farm, particularly on community volunteer days on select weekends.
I think it's really important for the students at K-State to know that, one, the student farm exists here, that two, it's not just for us ag geeks and plant nerds, but that it's also for anybody who has an interest in where their food comes from, has an interest in spending time outdoors with the plants and the animals, and that just wants to get more involved with the food system around K-State.
For more information about how to get involved with Willow Lake, visit their website. From Manhattan, Kaylee McLaughlin, Channel 8 News.